What's up, guys? It's your boy Mikeyyywill here. Here with another YouTube tutorial. This one's more like a review. You know what I mean? So, just a little bit of review of the cooler cart. I gotta do this quick. It's getting kind of dark out here. All right, so we're just doing a little bit of review of the speed, the strength of this thing, and just like the overall ability of like what this little thing can do. Obviously, there's bigger ones on the market, but they also cost big money. I just made this at my house. Well, with the welder, of course, and obviously I built my battery by myself. But what better way to do a review is out in the snow or the mud where things aren't so sweet. So we're going to put this little thing to the test, and we're going to show you guys what this thing could do. We're going to run through a bunch of tests. Maybe not the range tests, maybe a little bit of durability, but other than that, here we go. Alright, yo, for this one, we're going to do a little bit easy money task. We're going to go in the snow, a little bit of uphill. It don't look crazy. It really don't look crazy because it's not. Well, yeah, here we go. Guys, I'm also starting out with about 39 volts. It's a little bit less than fully charged. Fully charged, it goes up to 42 volts, I believe. But here we go. Not bad. Full throttle. What you guys think? Not bad. Not bad. Going through snow and ice. I can't say I could do a wheelie or something, but it's not bad. Not bad. For this one, it's going to be a speed test. It's going to be on flat ground, so not too much ice on the ground no more. Everything melts away. I know you guys saw that. Not bad. Not bad, guys. Yeah, if you guys haven't already hit that subscribe button or any of the likes, drop some comments, anything. Everything helps. I want you guys know. I don't know if you guys saw, I recently just got to over 1,000 subscribers, and I would want to keep going to the fullest extent. And everything helps, guys. But as you guys can see, the custom battery that I built, not bad, man. Really not bad. It doesn't have that much voltage sag. This thing doesn't draw that much power. If you guys go to the YouTube channel, hold up. I got this joint from, what's it called, like Fast Scooters. It's on eBay. It's like fastscooters.com or something like that. These guys did some pretty nasty work out there. And I don't know if you guys see the tread on these things. Not bad, not bad. We're actually going to go in a little bit deeper snow to see what this thing can really do. And let's get back there. We're about to go into the backyard. Oh, yeah. Oh, almost crashed into the car. So I slid down some ice. A little bit of riding footage for y'all. Let this thing just trek through. This thing just treks through the snow like it's nothing. We're going to take the cooler off for this one. Alright, let's see if we can do a little wheelie action. Yeah, there's a bunch of good things on this little cooler cart, because one, you can drop the cooler, that's dope. Sit on it like side saddle, which is also dope. I mean, there's a lot of dope things. The only thing that sucks, this thing is a little like tippy, because the wheelbase is really short. It's on a Razor dirt quad made for kids, you know. But if you were just hauling something in the snow, this is it. This is it right here, baby. Let's see if we can take off the body here. Oh, I'm stuck, guys. maybe I shouldn't have did that. Okay, let's see if we can take this to a spot where it won't make it, you know? Because obviously this is like 2 inches of snow. This is nothing, guys. Like, we live on the East Coast. We don't got it like that. You guys living out there in Colorado and stuff. But obviously, once I'm in motion, this thing has 0 problems. But now that I'm going a little bit slower, I'm full throttle, by the way. I'm full pin. But this thing is doing this thing. Even with these little cheap little kids razor tires. My little Dirk light, like, this thing is holding on for dear life. Oh, okay. Getting some grass. I mean, I knew what this thing could do in grass. Wide open, guys. This is about like all at 7 miles an hour in the snow. Not bad, guys. Not bad at all. This is cool, man. Like, it's cool because, I don't know. It's cool, man. It's just cool. Like, you just mess around with your homies, mess around in your backyard. It's like so capable. And if like you guys want to do an upgrade, do the 40 volt upgrade, the 36. I'm not gonna say it's just not the most powerful. Not to say that companies don't drop good stuff. Just, I don't know. If I could make this 60 volt, I would, but I don't think the little motor could take much more. It's already like screaming. And guys, also, if you do overvolt these things, know that there is a potential of your motor failing due to overheat or just overvolting it like for too long. It just will not handle it. But luckily, these motors are cheap. They're maybe like 50 bucks on Amazon. Just drop a new one in, you're good to go. Yeah. Also, guys, let me know if you want me to do a range test. I blew through about a volt because I got a little voltmeter on the side here. I blew through about 1 volt, but that was me just messing around and stuff like that, doing wheelies and doing everything you're not supposed to do. But guys, another quick little thing. Look at this with no one on it. Oh, can't make that stuff up, YouTube. But luckily, it's light enough you can just pick it up. Some other joints you can't pick up because they're too heavy. I'm still stuck here, guys. Hold up. Let's move it like that. You know what I'm saying? But if you were like on like a beach or something, or just like a little mountain trail, just throw all your stuff in there, your boards, whatever. Maybe not your boards. Actually, yeah, maybe even your boards. Who knows? You really could do it like everything's. The possibilities are endless. Oh snap! Some geese. Yup. Some Canadian geese. Wild. But guys, thank you for watching. We got more content coming soon. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Drop some likes. Drop some comments, baby. Oh yeah, guys. That GoPro's coming soon too. I know I didn't say this in the beginning of the video. The GoPro's coming soon. This is my first time even reaching like 1,000 subscribers. I'm still trying to figure out like subscription softwares to like make a little spin wheel or something like that. I'm working on it. Just give me some time here. I'm working on it. I know I reached the goal. I'm here for y'all. Don't worry. It's coming soon. Peace.